I think the Dolomites are great for anybody. It's one of the best things about it. There's a little bit of something for everyone. Tucked into the north of Italy, the Dolomites is a special region that stands apart from the rest of the Alps. It starts with the mountains, which are just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. The villages are very cute and comfortable. The hotels are great. The food is amazing. And then the hiking can be easy hikes over rolling meadows, or it can be hard hikes into high rocky mountains, or anything in between.
Our Dolomites traverse starts in a beautiful town of Bolzano, but then we go to town of Ortisei and move across the land over the mountain huts to towns of Selva, Corvara, San Cassian and Cortina di Ampezzo. I think it's very important for everyone to learn and share all these little details about the local culture and people, connecting the ideas of past and the future.
I love the Dolomites. I absolutely love coming back to the Dolomites. And to me, it is the sense of being in the middle of this vast area with trails all around. It feels like there's so much unexplored, even after years of coming back here. I also love the luxury hotels in the Dolomites. It's a great place to just relax and treat yourself to a really nice hotel and a nice meal and enjoy life for a little bit. The mountains, the culture, the food, the history, it all comes together in the Dolomites to make a great trip for just about anyone.